morning, everybody. I am going to take you through the steps for your outline today. The outline is the next step in writing your paper. Why do we do an outline? I've had so many students, they really hate the outlining process. They don't like doing the outline. They just want to write the paper and get it done. But the outline is very important because the outline is basically like when you build a house, you have to have blueprints to build the house. The blueprints tell you where everything's going to go. When you look at the blueprints, you understand this is going to be a bedroom, this is going to be where the kitchen goes, and it gives the builders an idea of where the house, or what they need to do when they build the house. An outline is the same thing for a written paper. It gives you the idea of where everything's going to go. It helps you to understand this is where this information is going to go, this is where this information is going to go. And it helps you stay organized and focused. So that's why an outline is really, really important. Now there are 3 parts to an outline. You are going to talk about your introduction, which an introduction needs to be 4 or 5 sentences, and it's going to be a short introduction. It's going to be a short kind of synopsis of your whole paper. It's going to tell us what you're talking about. It's going to show us what's going to be in the paper. It's going to tell us what we can expect from your paper. So that's the introduction, and that part you don't have to outline, you just need to write it out. 4 or 5 sentences introducing your topic, telling me where your paper is going to go, what direction it's going to take. You're going to want to set it up kind of like your outline. If you're going to start, if you chose a person and you're going to start with where that person was born, then you're going to say something about that in the introduction. I have an introduction here that I'm going to show you. Then you're going to outline the body of your paper. How is your paper going to progress? Your introduction is just going to give us a few details. The body of your paper is going to give us all of the information that we're looking for. And then at the end of the paper, you're going to give us your conclusion. A conclusion is 4 or 5 sentences telling us what the paper was about, summing up some of your final thoughts, some of the things that you learned while you were writing the paper. And I have an example of that for you as well. So I'm going to walk you through what I want your outline to look like. And then I will walk you through the introduction and the conclusion. I'm going to just walk you through the whole thing, and hopefully that will help you. The outline that I'm showing you is one that we did last year for a literature paper. So I'll explain a couple of differences there. There's not very many differences, just headings and things like that. So this outline is due as a quiz grade, so you want to make sure you're paying close attention. Now there are different types of outlines. There's a topical outline, which is just 1 or 2 words, and then there's a sentence outline. You're going to be doing a sentence outline, so I want full sentences for each point. And then I'm going to take you through that. Okay, so let me turn the camera around and show you, take you step by step through my outline and just give you an example, okay?